just again informing all of y'all that it's getting recorded as well. Just back up. So the record has started now. And the next minute or so, we'll be live also. And then I'll message again on the group. Again, Varun, just checking if you can put on your cam, or am I the only one not seeing his screen?
No, I'm here.
Okay, no, the screen, the cam goes off.
Yeah, is it fine? Can you see me?
Yes, yes.
Cool.
Everybody good to go?
Yeah, let's start.
Awesome, let's start.
Okay, so I'm hitting live. Varun, on your left top corner, you'll see the live, and Preeti also will prompt you. So that will be your cue.
Yes, I will prompt, don't worry.
It'll take a minute to go live. So
yeah, so we are going live. We are hitting live now. In the next minute, you'll get my prompt, and I'm going mute as well now.
Okay, I guess we're live. Okay, so I'll quickly wait for like 30 seconds so that more and more people can sort of join in. Hi guys, I'm Varun Thakur and I'm currently waiting for people to join in on the live. We have a fun session planned for you guys. So this is the first live session of the Sterling Reserve Comedy Project Season 2, which is the hunt for India's next generation of stand-up comedians. And over the last month, we've had a whole bunch of rounds that you have seen on the website and on the channel. And you've seen them perform their absolute best across different formats in comedy. And we have 10 comedians on the show, as you're aware. And you, the audience, get to pick the top 6 who get to perform in the finale. And one lucky winner, of course, bags a cash prize of 10 lakh rupees and hopefully an amazing career in comedy. But before I start bringing them on for this very special live session, I thought I'd just go through everything that's been happening over the last month as far as Sterling of Comedy Project Season 2 is concerned. So we've done about 5 rounds now with the comics, and they've all been fantastic. The rounds have ranged from a whole variety. So we started with something called Setup, which was the first round where we got to meet our comedians. They came, spoke a little bit about themselves, and also put out one of their best bits that they've been performing. Following which, the second round we had was called Made in India, which was one of my favorites because in this round we imagined a whole bunch of situations that happened globally, but as if they happened in India. And those of you who watched it, you guys know how funny this round was. And the third round was called Sketchy Characters, which was by far my most favorite round because I think in this round, each and every comedian brought their A game. And it was also one of the more difficult rounds, so to speak, to do is because they were all playing characters. And characters, as you know, is not the easiest thing to perform when it comes to comedy. That episode was hosted by my own character called Vicky Malhotra. And we had the 10 comics play a variety of characters and have a conversation with Vicky. And I think this is definitely one of my absolute favorite episodes of this season. The next was Troll This, where the comics were given a whole bunch of topics and they had to essentially roast them, so to speak. And even this round was super funny, followed by Punchlines, which was a popular round from last season that came again this year. And this had the comedians coming up with punchlines for a variety of topics on the spot. So it was definitely challenging. And I personally feel that this season we've had some amazing comics, comics who've got their own voice, comics who can perform anything from straight up stand up to just one-line jokes to characters. So it's been an absolute joyride this season of Sterling of Comedy Project. So like I said before, if you guys have been watching it and have been following it, y'all get to decide which of the 10 comics gets to be in the finale. So top 6 go to the finale. So you guys get to go vote for them. And in case you haven't yet, please go check out their sets and vote for them on comedycentral.in/SRCP before the 19th of October. That's the deadline. You have 19th of October till which you can go and vote for all these comedians. Now, I'm going to call everybody on, but before that, I have a quick announcement. Unfortunately, one of the comics won't be joining us, Kashyap. The other 9 are here. So we're going to make sure we have a great time with them. Now, for all of you wondering what this live is about, this live is going to be really fun because it's me versus the comics. Now, I've gotten to know them over this show and I enjoy each and every one of their materials. So it's going to be really tough for me to keep quiet because that is the challenge of this specific round. It's called the Real Deal Challenge, where all the comics get to come on, chat with me and give me their best joke that they can. And if I laugh, they win. But if I don't laugh, then they will have to take up an embarrassing dare to make up for it, which I will come up with. But I also need everybody's help who's watching this live. If you guys have some crazy fun ideas for a dare, please let me know in the comments. And also, if you have any questions for the comics, write them in the comment section below and I will pick out the best ones. So just to recap, this round is called the Real Deal Challenge, where all the comics come one by one. They try to impress me with their best joke. And if I fail to laugh at that joke, they have to take up an embarrassing dare that I give them. So I think it's quite clear, plain and simple. We're going to have a lot of fun. So I'm not going to waste any more time and I'm going to bring on the comics. So first up, we have the queen of comic wins, Zainab Habil. Zainab, are you here? Zainab.
Hello. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. How are you?
So it's so good to see you, Varun. All well. How are you doing?
Very good, except this pimple on my head. Everything else is fine. Tell me, Zainab. Now that we've had over a month of all your amazing stand-up and all your amazing characters that you've done go up, how does it feel? Like, what is the feedback been like from your parents, from your friends? Tell me something about it.
It's mental. My friends are now, everyone's just constantly looking at me and going all, oh my God, celebrity. And I'm like, yeah, okay, calm down. But no, everyone's
That's one
loving
of the
it.
side effects
Everyone,
of being on the show.
yes, well, I am happily embracing it. I'm not complaining one bit. But
Amazing.
it's fun. It's great. Everyone has taken up the opportunity to make jokes about the jokes I'm making. And there's been a lot of creation on the content that we put out, to the point where there's been memes and there's been videos, and it's a whole thing, and it's so much fun. Been
Super.
having a blast.
So what about the parents? What are the parents saying? Which of your rounds did they like the most?
In popular opinion has been the first one, which is so unlike what any of us thought, because the first one was also obviously the first day of shoot, where all of us were just
Correct.
so new to the whole thing, and everyone was just like, oh my god, it's the first round. But it's been, so the first one has been everyone's favorite. My personal favorite has definitely been the character round, and then it's been made in India. So, but
Okay.
my
Awesome.
yeah. Another popular
That's good.
observation that people have made about you is that they were
About
like, "Oh,
me.
so yeah, about you," is that
Uh,
most of my friends watched my set only and first, obviously, and they were like, "Varun seems to find you really funny," and I was like, "Yeah, have you seen the other sets?"
but you
And
were
then they were like,
funny.
"Oh." and then they were like, "Oh, Varun seems to find everything funny." I'm like, "Guys, he's just trying to be really nice to us."
No, no.
Varun is
I'll be
easily
honest
amused.
though.
That was my
I
explanation.
wasn't I wasn't trying to be I wasn't just trying to be a yes man and laugh. You guys were genuinely funny. Each and every one of you. Y'all all had like your rounds. You know what I mean? Like there were some rounds that y'all just absolutely excelled in. So it was very fun to watch, and that's why I was laughing. I wasn't just being a laugh track for all those of
I'm
you who
glad.
think I'm being a
I'm
laugh
glad
track.
I'm glad we're sticking to that narrative. Lovely.
Yes, yes. Okay, so Zainab, you know what today's live session is about. You know the real
Yes.
deal challenge,
Yes.
right? So you get to make me laugh using only one joke, okay? And if you fail to do so, you will have to do an embarrassing dare, okay? So use your superpower wisely. Are you ready?
I am ready. Are you ready?
Okay, I am ready. I'm gonna have my best poker face on, so I do not just easily laugh. Yeah, I just laugh it out right now, so I don't laugh for no reason later. Okay, ready? Three, two,
Okay.
one, go.
Lovely. So this joke is about Desi parents, and I have observed after 22 years of living around two that Desi parents have such massive double standards. Because they're always teaching their children that be respectful, reply to everybody politely. You should always, talk well and never give ulta jawab. The one thing they all hate is ulte jawab, which is so ironic, because the second you ask your mom even a very simple question like, "Mom, where should I keep this dabba?" the first thing she'll say is, "La, la, mere sir pe rakh de, la, sir pe rakh."
Shit, yeah. I laughed. I laughed. No, but I wanted to
Yeah,
control. I wanted to control.
you tried. I see.
Yeah,
The
I tried.
intent
I
doesn't
tried to
matter.
control.
Good.
That's fine.
I'm
But
glad you laughed.
okay, cool. So you got saved. You got saved there from the dare.
Of course. I mean,
So
after
why has your mom done?
I every I
I can't.
every mom.
Sorry, I missed that.
I
What do
think
you say?
I can guarantee that every mom has at some point told their child to come and put something on a red la. La mere sir pe rakh. It's just a joke that came out of daily observation. But
But that's where the best
I'm
jokes come out, right?
true, very true, very true. I'm so
But tell me one
after
thing:
all these months
do
of
you
writing,
use your parents for jokes? Do you use your parents for jokes? Like do you
I'm
carefully observe, and your ears are always up to see what they say or do, so that it can immediately come into a set?
without a doubt. In fact, at this point, my ears are always up for anything around me that is content, which is why everyone is, being so careful around me. Anything that they do could be in my next set. When so it's literally all I'm doing is looking out for content. It's beautiful. I love it.
Okay, that's good. Well, your parents saved you from getting a dare in the real deal challenge. I want to just check if anyone watching has any questions for you. If not, we will move on to the next comic. Jana, but you can tell me how else your experience was working on this show while I look for questions.
My experience working on this show was fantastic. I had so much fun. I know everybody says this about all the contestants all the time that, oh, we met and we were friends, and I know it's a competition, but it actually was fantastic to meet nine other comics, and just especially bang in the middle of a pandemic. Luckily, we were all so safe and we were taken care of so well. So
Right.
that was fun. But apart from that, yeah, it was a great experience. It was fun hanging out with you and everyone else on the team as well.
Yeah, we also had a great time having you on. Now, when I asked the audience for questions to ask you, I've been told that they'd like for you to do a dare. So, are you on to do a dare, even though I laughed at your joke?
My this is a sign that some of my friends have from somewhere joined the damn live. But sure, let's. I am an audience
You're
artist.
really up.
Bring it on.
Well done, well done, well done.
Bring it on.
That's
Yes.
that's
What
that's,
would you
that's the sport. Okay, cool.
what would you like me to do?
Let me dig into my treasure trove of dares. Okay,
Varun,
so
remember you're going to
I
have to
think
see me really soon.
yeah, no.
Be gentle.
I'll be careful. Okay, so I believe you definitely must be getting a lot of these. Please, okay, as a dare, please show us your weirdest DM.
Okay, I will definitely show you my weirdest DM, but I will hide the name of the person
Yeah, no,
because
of course. I don't know. I didn't say. I don't want to know who this person is. We are not in the business of doxing people, so don't worry. Hide it and you can hide it and show it to us.
okay, cool. Give me exactly 30 seconds to pull out like the weirdest one.
No worries.
I'm sure just going through the first three will be content enough. But
Yeah.
oh, okay, great. I found one here. I'm not sure
You
if
found
y'all
it?
can.
Okay.
I'll read it out to you instead of showing it because I don't know how to conceal the name
Okay.
and all of that. So it says,
Okay.
"Hi Zainab, hi Zainab. Really enjoyed your comedy. Keep up the good work." Now, all of this is not the DM. This is me explaining. This is me justifying myself. Everybody
Huh.
knows, or all the contestants know, that we have luckily been getting a lot of DMs, congratulating us and appreciating our work. So we naturally take a little time to reply. So I didn't respond to this specific message for exactly half an hour, after which the person has retexted saying, "You will not win the show because you are arrogant."
Wow.
To which I also didn't reply because I hadn't seen it yet. After which the person has messaged again saying, "So, what did you eat for lunch today?"
So what did you eat for lunch? There are maybe if
So,
he's watching, we will tell him.
other
You
people's
didn't eat
fans,
anything.
other people's fans message them saying such nice things, saying, "Oh, I loved this, but there's some constructive advice I have about this and that." And here people are telling me that I'm not going to win, and then they're worried about my diet. Guys, what are y'all doing? Please.
Okay, but Zainab, thank you so much. You've been a real sport. And I'm going to now go on to our next comedian. Best of luck. I hope to see you in the finale. If you want to do
Thank
one last call vote for yourself before you go, you can do that right now.
Yes, this is officially my millionth vote link that I am saying now. Guys, all of y'all, everybody who's watching, please go and vote for me. If I'm in the finale, I will send all of y'all cookies. I know that's far-fetched, but we'll make it happen. Thank you so much. Thank you, Varun.
Okay, awesome. To vote for Zainab, make sure you go to comedycentral.in/SRCP and vote before the 19th of October. That is the deadline for the closing of the votes. So make sure you go vote for her before that. Thank you, Zainab. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
All right. So next up, we have Mr. Relatable Rohit Shah. Rohit.
I don't know why I didn't,
Rohit.
but what's up? Hey guys, what? I'm here. I'm here. What's up? Hello.
That was the most relatable thing that you did on Zoom because first there is a dark screen and you can only hear the voice because people take ages to put the camera on. So I think your intro
My
and
camera
your
was on.
thing right now did justice to each other.
Oh wow. Yeah, am I audible? वही बस रहा था खाली बोलने का. Am I audible? Guys, can you see me?
Can you see me? Wait, let me try this in another window. I will log out and log in again. Rohit, what's up, man? How's
Can
you
you
been?
see me? It's been good, dude. It's been really fun. It's been really exciting to see myself on TV क्योंकि बचपन से पापा का सपना था And this is not this. I'm not kidding. He used to actually take me to those ad shoots and कि यार please मेरे बेटे को ad में डाल दो Bournvita के, please मेरे बेटे को.
Oh, really?
And yeah, and those guys were like आपका बेटा उतना cute भी नहीं है. Like what? He did an entire portfolio shoot.
This is your first time on screen. What has your dad been saying though? Now that he actually sees
really,
you on screen, that.
Yeah, but like he's been really supportive of my comedy over the last couple of years. So he's been like sharing with his friends and stuff like that. And he's like he's telling people कि इसका hobby नहीं उसका career है समझा ना. So which is really hard to see.
That's sweet though. But
yeah,
like what round of yours did your parents and your friends like the most?
Okay, so my parents, my mom, she liked the Made in India part because the first one, I thought everyone really liked the first episode itself. My mom watched the Made in India part. I was watching it with her, and she's like, "ये last वाले से ज़्यादा better है नहीं?" And I'm like, "Mom, you could say it in a better way." She's like, when you have a kid, it's like ये last वाले से ज़्यादा better है नहीं?
Good, but she's like,
so
that's good.
Yeah, the hardest part though has been trying to not convince people to vote. It's been making people understand how to vote. क्योंकि मेरा audience ही अलग है. Like I have to share it with my relatives and all, and who are like plus 40s. तो मेरे को उनको समझाना पड़ता है कि आप ये वेबसाइट पे जाओ, उधर Gmail अकाउंट है. हमारे पास Gmail अकाउंट नहीं है, अरे Gmail अकाउंट बनाओ. फिर click on it. Then you are not a robot. You have to prove it to them. Then click on the blank screen. Then once your voting is done, you'll be shown a message, thank you, you voted for your hero. If you don't get it, please don't go back. नहीं तो vote count नहीं होएगा. क्योंकि मम्मी ने ना पहले 3 हफ्ते वही किया. वोट खाली किया, वोट फॉर रोहित था, फिर वो सब नहीं किया प्रोसीजर. तो मुझे वोट क्यों नहीं जा रहा रोहित इधर मेरा? मतलब मम्मा ये सब भी करना रहता है.
अभी तूने ये बिट किया है कि तू मेरे को सिर्फ बता रहा है क्योंकि मैं हंस रहा हूँ ऑलरेडी.
नहीं बता रहा हूँ. नहीं मैं बता रहा हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है.
बता रहा हूँ.
तो तेरा अभी तक जोक आया नहीं है, मतलब जोक आएगा अभी.
नहीं.
Okay, ठीक है. So Rohit, you know what the real deal challenge is about. You have to make me laugh in one joke. मैं हंसा तो तू बच गया. अगर मैं नहीं हंसा, you will get a embarrassing dare that you will have to do. Are you ready for that?
Cool. Yeah, I am. So guys, I like to tell you that. Oh, sorry.
Your time begins.
My
3, 2, 1. now.
Okay, cool. Guys, I like to tell you that I recently went through a health scare. By recently, I mean 2-3 साल में कभी भी हो सकता है. Comic का life recent मतलब कुछ भी है from existence to now. So what happened is मैं ECG कराने को बोला डॉक्टर ने. तो मैं ECG करा के आया ना, उसके बाद घर पे सब ऐसा ऑडियंस बैठा था. दादी, मॉम, डैड तीनों एकदम ये. और ECG का रिपोर्ट मेरे हाथ में था. मैं रिपोर्ट खोल के बोला डैड को कि टेंशन का बात नहीं, रिपोर्ट नॉर्मल है. So everyone started giving random advice. So dad was like, देख मैं तेरे को पहले ही बोला था दारू वारू मत पिया कर. Mom was like, मैं तेरे को बोला है बाहर का खाना मत खाया कर. दादी was like, बेटा अगर रिपोर्ट नॉर्मल है तो ECG पे पैसा बर्बाद ही क्यों किया तूने?
Good. बच गया. मैं भी इसमें भी बहुत रिलेटेबल फैमिली जोक्स पे मेरे को पकड़ रहे हो. तो वेल डन. बट ये फनी था, लेकिन ब्रो इतना भी फनी नहीं था. मैं हंस दिया बट इतना भी फनी नहीं था. तो आई थिंक देखो डेयर करना चाहिए. करना चाहिए.
You could have asked me to do the dare without insulting me, Varun.
How was that's an insult?
हाँ
मेरे को तुम लोग सब लोग को डेयर कराना है सच में तो, लेकिन तुम लोग फनी हो तो मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता उसमें. प्रॉब्लम वो है. तो तू करेगा क्या डेयर? मैं तेरे को पूछता हूँ. चल will you do a dare?
हाँ करेगा. या
करेगा. Okay, chal. Let me give you a dare also. Okay, everybody watching this stream, if you have ideas for any dares that you think the contestants could do, write them in the comments and I'll pick out the best one. Okay, Rohit.
Any questions, please?
Oh yeah, if you have any questions for Rohit also, please let me know in the comments. We can pull that up and ask Rohit questions for you. Rohit, in the time I look for the dare, can you tell me what your friends have been saying about seeing you? अभी उन लोग तो देख के तेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे कि बोल रहे कि well done Rohit?
नहीं well done यार. they were like really surprised क्योंकि पहले ना मतलब ये सब प्रॉपर कॉमेडी चालू करने से पहले ना मैं एक बार कोई तो भी रैंडम प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ ऐसे यूट्यूब पे वीडियो डाला था, मैं कभी लिंक शेयर नहीं करने वाला और ढूंढ भी नहीं सकते कि उन लोगों ने मेरा नाम भी यूज नहीं किया, तो वो वीडियो इतना खराब आया था ना कि उन लोग ने ड्रिंकिंग गेम बनाया था मेरे इस पे, मेरे वीडियो पे. So for 3 years I could not get on stage. So this, like, you know, in 2017 I got back on stage again. So that was like, you know, that was then like them coming back to me and telling me that they love my stuff and all. That was really heartening. But मैं अभी उन लोग के वैलिडेशन के लिए नहीं भी कर रहा था, तो मेरे को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ा उनका इससे.
But सही है, but that was a good turnaround. अगर पहले ड्रिंकिंग गेम बना रहे तेरे साइड पे, to come back and tell you that they actually like it, मतलब improvement हुआ है तेरे दोस्तों में.
Yeah, I cut them off, dude. Like मेरे को नहीं चाहिए ऐसे लोग जो सच बोलते हैं.
चल ठीक है. So because you've been sporting enough to also do a dare, I think this you will be really good at. So I want you as a dare to convert any item number to a motivational song.
Okay. Motivational song.
So tell me how I can help you. You want the item song? You want the specific item song, or will you think of it yourself?
Okay. Don't know. Just throw me like 2 or 3 item numbers. It should be a motivational song, right?
Yeah, you have to make the item number into a motivational song.
Okay, cool.
Examples of item numbers are मुन्नी बदनाम हुई, क्या है और गाना यार, ऐसा जादू डाला रे.
ये वो करीना का कौन सा फेविकॉल से. फेविकॉल से वेरी मोटिवेशनल सॉन्ग आई थिंक सो. हाँ. तो मेरे को मतलब वो मोटिवेशनल गाने के ट्यून में गाने का है या फिर मेरे को अपना वर्ड बना के I have to sing it like a item number like this.
जो अभी अगर सब मैं तेरे को बोलूंगा तो तू क्या करेगा?
तुम्हारे हाथों से खाऊंगी.
कौन से पिक्चर का डायलॉग है बताओ?
कहो ना प्यारे.
That's right. तुम्हारे हाथों से खाऊंगी. Okay, चल रोहित. Are you ready for your dare? Convert a item number into a motivational song.
मेरे सेल्स टारगेट को सीने से यार चिपका ले तू फेविकॉल से मेरे सेल्स टारगेट को सीने से यार चिपका ले सैया फेविकॉल से. Wow, that's all I had, dude. That's all I had.
मेरे सेल्स टारगेट को बोला.
मैं सोचा कि वो हाँ मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर ना, तो उन लोग वो बोलते सेल्स टारगेट को तुम लोग ये करो, अचीव एवरीथिंग इज विद इन, ऐसा कुछ तो उन लोग बोलते ना.
चल ठीक है. Good try. Well done. Yeah. You want to try one more?
No, I think I'm exhausted. कि मैं वो सोचने वापस कि पहले वो. Yeah.
So also Rohit, I found another question for you here, and the question is, who are you rooting to win besides yourself? Agar for the very unfortunate reason you don't make it to the final, the finale.
Oh wow guys,
six comments go.
सवाल पूछा है live पे तुम लोगों ने मेरे को सवाल पूछा है, and on the live you can see only me and Varun, but इधर ना मैं Zoom पे मेरे को बाकी 7 लोगों का चेहरा दिख रहा है, तो मैं ऐसा एक का भी नाम ले लिया ना, बाकी 8 will be like हाँ मतलब they just you know.
नहीं मैं सब चल I'll ask everybody, ठीक है? Nobody feel bad. चल.
Okay, good. You'll ask everybody.
Yourself, who are you rooting to win?
Okay, there are 2 people I like, you know, ऐसा tied है, joint ऐसा. One is Priyam, the other one is Fatima.
Okay, so Priyam and Fatima. Woo.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you besides yourself, either of the 2 you think can win?
हाँ, तो अगर मैं जीता तो सेकंड और थर्ड से पुष्कर और रोहन आएंगे तो अच्छा लगेगा.
अच्छा. So, but Rohit, before you go, you want to quickly do a vote appeal, since the audience can still make sure that they vote for you to be a part of the final 6 in the finale. So take it away.
Yeah, guys, please, अगर तुम लोग को पता है कि वोटिंग से कभी कभी बुरा भी हुआ है, मतलब अमित छाना नहीं जीता था इंडियन आइडल 1, वैसा हम नहीं होने देंगे इस साल. प्लीज गेट मी टू द फिनाले. all you have to do is go to the Comedy Central India website, comedycentral.in/srcp. Go there.
SRCP.
There are 5 episodes. Yeah, SRCP. There are 5 episodes. बहुत पढ़ा है हम लोग सबने और मैंने भी. So please go vote for me. My name is Rohit Shah, and that's all the time I have.
Yes. Also remember the voting line start on the 19th of October, so you do it before that.
19th of November.
That's the deadline. Okay. Thank you so much, Rohit. Best of luck. Hopefully, I'll see you at the finale.
Thanks. Yay. Yeah, I hope so too. Catch the vote.
See you, brother. Okay. Up next, let's see who do we have next. Yeah, Rohit. Okay. So, if you guys thought Legally Blonde was funny, you haven't met our next contestant. Please welcome Pooja Natarajan. Pooja, what's up?
Hi Varun, what's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
All good, fantastic.
Fantastic. Are you? So I'm going to start by asking you the same questions I've asked the others. How's it been for you after everybody has been watching the last month and a half of you being on Comedy Central? What's that been like? What's the response been like? What are your parents saying? What do you eat for lunch? Tell me everything.
So for lunch, I had my favorite bhindi. Okay, let me just get done with that first. Like I've started getting messages from people I've not spoken to in years, saying that, you know, oh my God, I should not have broken off contact with you. Damn, I missed the opportunity. And I have not stayed with my parents for 8 years. I mean, because I'm working here in Bombay. So I do not know exactly how the reaction is face-wise, but message-wise and support-wise, it's been amazing. So
that's awesome. What was your favorite round? What was your favorite round from the 5 that we did?
The character round, Varun, of course.
Yeah, you absolutely slayed it in that. For everybody watching, if you all haven't seen Pooja's bit on the sketchy behavior round, you're missing out on something. It was one of the funniest that I've seen, and Komalika should be scared, is all I will say. I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil it for people who haven't watched, but you were absolutely fantastic in that, Pooja. It was really, really good.
Thank you. Thank you. You know, on that note, Urvashi Dholake actually took notice of the performance and liked and shared and commented on it.
Really?
Yes.
That should be on your resume.
Totally. Edit kar diya maine.
Okay, so Pooja, you know what we're doing today, right? It's called the Real Deal Challenge. You get one joke to make me laugh. If I laugh, you're safe. But if I don't, you'll have to do an embarrassing dare right here on live. Okay, so are you ready? Before we start off with you, everybody watching, if you all have any questions for Pooja, or if you all have any suggestions for dares that she could do in case she doesn't make me laugh, let me know in the comments below. All right, Pooja, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Okay, so here's something that a lot of people don't know about me. I started dating someone during the lockdown, but I also broke it off within 2 months. Turns out the lockdown lasted way longer than my own relationship. But after I ended it, I did the most logical thing. I went on an online shopping spree, and I had to choose between buying a guitar and buying a ukulele. I chose the ukulele. And I've realized that this is basically a guitar for people with commitment issues because it has fewer strings attached.
Okay. Well done. Well done. So I love this whole performance that you created in under a minute. So well done. I actually genuinely like it. It's quite a layered joke. But tell us more about this relationship that started and ended in 2 months.
So you know how I'm an improviser and all. I just took yes
Right.
and.
So you just yes and. And then 2 months later, you're like, no, but, and end of the scene.
No,
okay,
but.
well done.
So yeah.
Okay. Now, Pooja, well done. You don't have to do the dare. I genuinely like the joke. But I have a question for you from somebody who's commented, saying first they want to see a version of Komalika. They want you to have this conversation as your character. So for the remainder of this conversation, you will speak like, what was the name? Katyayani.
Katyayani, me with the eyebrow.
Me.
So,
Okay,
like,
Katyayani.
you know, a lot of people have just been asking me to do this character every now and then. तो मैं ये रख के बैठती हूँ हमेशा साथ में.
But that's great. That's how exactly when I do Wiki, I travel with a leather jacket, whether it's 40 degrees or 4 degrees. So that's our version of Superman opening a shirt to have his thing inside. So you have your earrings. Okay, you're already in
Staying
the
true.
you're already in the zone. Oh, okay. So
Yes,
I want you to tell me about your fellow contestants. What all do you feel about your fellow contestants?
मैं अपने फेलो कंटेस्टेंट्स के बारे में क्या बोलूं? इतने अच्छे दोस्त बन गए हैं कि मुझे अपने मकसद पे थोड़ा डाउट होने लग गया है. मतलब हम जो लड़कियां हैं ना शो पे चारों, हम लोग काफी क्लोज हो गए हैं और मुझे पता है ये मेरी मदद जरूर करेंगे आकांक्षा की तबाही में. Am I stuck?
No, you're great. We're all laughing. I don't know if you can hear us,
Thanks.
but और
शुक्रिया.
लड़कों के बारे में क्या ख्याल है आपका?
ये नाचीज पूजा किसी को भी हाँ बोल देती है, सोचती भी नहीं है. अब सिद्धांत नहीं है तो अगर विक्की जैसा ही कोई मिल गया तो चलेगा, वरना not worth it.
Okay, well done, Pooja. So, can you, Pooja, are you on? Is it on? You're fine. Okay, cool. So, Pooja, before you go, I want you. Why did you take it off? You should have done your vote appeal as Katyayani.
वो बिना चश्मे के मुझे ना दिखता सुनता नहीं है.
अच्छा.
कॉन्फिडेंस
So
पे
I
चलती
want
हूँ
you to
सिर्फ.
do your vote appeal for everybody watching. In 3, 2, 1, go for it.
अगर आपने अभी तक मुझे यानी कात्यायनी मी को वोट नहीं किया है तो आप लाइफ में कर क्या रहे हैं? जाइए जल्दी से comedycentral.in/srcp पे लॉगिन कीजिए, सबका परफॉर्मेंस देखिए, मेरा तो जरूर देखिए और वोट कीजिए क्योंकि 19 अक्टूबर को सब कुछ बंद होने वाला है.
All right, Pooja, that was fantastic. Thank you so much. Best of luck.
Thank
I
you.
hope to see you in the finale. Okay, up next, I'm going to call on Atul Sharma. Atul.
Hey.
Atul, तू बाथरूम में है क्या?
नहीं बाथरूम में नहीं.
पीछे मुझे टॉयलेटरीज का स्टैंड लगा, फिर इससे मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया. वो बुक्स है ना. सॉरी माय बैड. अच्छा अतुल, कैसे हो भाई? क्या चल रहा है?
बढ़िया. आप बताएं. बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है मेरा तो लॉकडाउन. मतलब आफ्टर शो तो बहुत बढ़िया हो गया.
अभी ये जो 5 तुमने राउंड कर रहे हैं, जो हर जगह लोग देख रहे हैं और बहुत पसंद कर रहे हैं, how has it been for you? What have your family and friends been saying about seeing you on SRCP season 2?
मतलब फ्रेंड्स तो बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश हैं. मतलब फाइनली उनको पता चल रहा है कि हाँ कर रहा है. मतलब मैं पिछले 4 साल से कॉमेडी कर रहा हूँ, बट माय मॉम इज लाइक हाँ कर रहा हूँ बॉम्बे में जाके कुछ. बट अभी टीवी पे आने के बाद शी इज लाइक नहीं हमारा बेटा कॉमेडी कर रहा है, वो कॉमेडी सेंट्रल पे आता है. अभी उनको पता चल रहा है.
उनके पास प्रूफ है ना, प्रूफ है दिखाने के लिए.
हाँ. उससे पहले वो लाइव शोज के लाइक पता नहीं कुछ तो करता है, लाइव करता है, पता नहीं क्या करता है.
So well done. It's been good for you. अच्छा मुझे बता, तुम्हारा सबसे फेवरेट कौन सा राउंड था परफॉर्म करने के लिए?
मेरा फर्स्ट राउंड बहुत बढ़िया, मतलब मेरा फेवरेट था. उसके अलावा पंच लाइन्स और ट्रोलिंग मेरा फेवरेट था.
पंच लाइन्स बहुत बढ़िया गया था तुम्हारा.
हाँ.
तो तुम्हें आज का ये चैलेंज पता है? वी आर डूइंग द रियल डील चैलेंज. तुम्हें एक जोक मिलेगा मुझे हंसाने का. इफ आई लाफ तुम बच गए, अगर तुमने नहीं हंसा, मैं नहीं हंसा, तो यू विल हैव टू डू अ डेयर. ठीक है? सो एज ऑलवेज बिफोर आई स्टार्ट विद यू, आई एम गोइंग टू लेट एवरीबॉडी हु इज वाचिंग नो. If you all have any questions for Atul, let me know in the comments, and also if you have any dare ideas, let me know in the comments and I'll pick out the best one. Atul, are you ready to try and make me laugh?
Yes.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
कल मैंने एक बंदे को देखा, छोटा लड़का था, वो मेरे सामने आके ना बार बार गाने गा रहा था. तेरे चुम्मे में चमनप्राश है, तेरे चुम्मे में चमनप्राश है। I'm like, ब्रो जिसे तू चमनप्राश समझ रहा है ना, हमारे वहां उसे बलगम कहते। आपको समझ में नहीं है? ओके कूल।
नहीं समझ में नहीं आया, समझ में मैं हंसा नहीं, समझ में आया मुझे, ठीक है। और मैं बहुत विजुअल आदमी हूँ तो मुझे दिख भी गया सब, लेकिन मैं नहीं हंसा इस पे। तेरा सबसे बेस्ट जोक था कि तू मुझे देख के पूछ रहा है तुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं, मैं उस पे हंसा। तो सॉरी अतुल, मैं आपके जोक पे तो नहीं हंसा। अभी तो आपको डेयर ही करना पड़ेगा, अभी तुम्हें डेयर करना पड़ेगा।
चलेगा। नहीं मुझे लगा मेरा वॉइस लैग हुआ या कुछ बीच में।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, मैंने बराबर सुना, बराबर सुना। ओके सो नो हार्ड फीलिंग्स, ओके अतुल, नथिंग पर्सनल।
ओके कूल, तो चलेगा।
ठीक है, अभी तुम्हारा डेयर ये है कि तुम्हें अपने कोई भी दोस्त को फोन करना है, उन्हें लाउड स्पीकर पे रखना है और उन्हें बोलना है कि उन्हें ब्रश करने की बहुत जरूरत है, वो ब्रश नहीं करते और ये बात सही नहीं है और उन्हें बहुत ज्यादा ब्रश करना चाहिए।
अरे मेरे को फोन लाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि एक फोन से मैं ऑलरेडी लॉग्ड इन हूँ। एक सेकेंड ना, मैं फोन
अच्छा
लगाता हूँ।
अच्छा, वैसा है तो नहीं, ठीक है, एक मिनट रुको, मैं सोचूं दूसरा वाला और क्या कर सकते हो। नहीं एक्चुअली ले आओ,
ले आऊँ? देखो
ले
अगर
आओ
इसके
फोन।
बाद
अच्छा ठीक है, मत ले आओ,
ओके
मत ले
cool,
आओ, मत ले आओ,
मैं ला
मत
रहा
ले आओ,
हूँ।
मत ले आओ। अरे नहीं मत ले आओ, ठीक है, बैठो इधर, बैठो बैठो
Okay.
बैठो। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ऑडियंस क्या बोल रही है इधर, इफ दे आर गिविंग एनी डायर सजेशन फॉर यू टू डू।
Okay. नहीं मैं बोल तो देता, उसके बाद पता नहीं वो क्या ही मतलब बोल देते, गाली वाली दे देते तो अच्छा नहीं लगता।
हाँ
मैं वो गाली वाली दे
क्या कह
देते
रहे
तो
हो,
फिर
सॉरी
अच्छा नहीं
मैं।
लगता। लाउड
अच्छा
स्पीकर पे
ठीक है,
गाली वाली दे देते तो अच्छा नहीं लगता।
वो बात भी सही है। दोस्तों के साथ ऐसे प्रैंक वाला चीज करना सबसे टफ होता है। यू ऑलवेज वरीड कि क्या बोलेंगे इन लोग।
हाँ
अच्छा फिर
बता,
तुम्हें क्या डेयर दूं यार मैं।
जो आप बोलो सर।
अच्छा तुम्हारा डेयर ये है, तुम अच्छा ठीक है अभी बैठे बैठे एक कुछ डेयर करो, ठीक है। तुम्हारा डेयर ये है कि अभी अपने जो बाकी कंटेस्टेंट्स है, नहीं ठीक है, एक काम करना, तुम्हारे पीछे जो बुक है ना, वो बुक दिखाओ, दिखाओ क्या है पीछे।
रेड कार्ड।
अरे ये तो कौतुक की बुक है। है ना, ठीक है, अभी कौतुक की बुक का एक ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू दो।
ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू मैं नहीं दे पाऊंगा क्योंकि मैंने पढ़ी नहीं, 2 साल पहले लिया था।
ये हो गया ऑनेस्ट रिव्यू तुम्हारा कि मैंने 2 साल से पढ़ी नहीं है। ठीक है, पीछे से कोई और एक बुक निकालो, दूसरी कोई बुक निकालो, कौन सी पढ़ी है पीछे से। तुम ये सिर्फ शो के लिए रखते हो कि पढ़ते भी हो ये बुक।
नहीं पढ़ता हूँ बीच बीच में, ये एक्चुअली मेरी मॉम ने पढ़ी थी, वो बहुत बड़ी फैन थी
हाँ
कौतुक, मतलब है अभी भी
अच्छा
कौतुक की,
हाँ
तो इसीलिए
हाँ
उनके लिए ली थी। ये पढ़ी है मैंने अटलॉट।
अच्छा ठीक है। ठीक है, अभी तो एक काम करो, रेड कार्ड खोलो, रेड कार्ड खोलो, रेड कार्ड खोलो। वी विल डू अ रीडिंग ऑफ द फर्स्ट हाफ खोलो, जो फर्स्ट को एक पेज खोलो।
कोई भी बीच में से?
हाँ कोई भी एक बीच में से पेज खोलो, एक पैराग्राफ। अभी ये एक पैराग्राफ, ये एक पैराग्राफ तुम्हें बहुत ही सेक्सीली, एक सेक्सी आवाज में पढ़ना है, ठीक है। ये लाइव रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है अतुल।
नहीं आपको लगता है कि मेरी आवाज सेक्सी हो सकती है?
नहीं नहीं, करो, कोशिश करो, कोशिश करो।
Okay, cool. Many years later, Rishabh Bala would remember how the windy, flaky rain was pattering down the skies when Sadashiv Garge, अरे यार ये नाम कैसे सेक्सी हो सकता है, साउंड कर सकता है। हाँ मतलब इस तरह के नाम को आप कैसे बना सकते हो यार। The physical education teacher sent word for the football team to assemble in the gymnasium. They left their tiffin half finished and tore through the corridors, joyously running to answer the call. It was always good news when कार्ड की अरे यार ये कार्ड के सर वापस वापस क्यों आ रहे हैं?
चलो ठीक है
Someone tell-
that's good. ये पूरे स्टोरी का सबसे सब कुछ सेक्सीली चल सकता है सिवाय जब से सदाशिव गाडगिल तक पहुंचने तो सदाशिव गाडगिल इज नॉट सेक्सी. चलो
अभी
ठीक है. that was quite sexy अतुल. आपको भी आएंगे काफी सारे डीएम्स ये सेक्सी रेंडिशन ऑफ रेड कार्ड के बाद. Well done अतुल. Thank you so much for joining us. Best of luck. जाने से पहले जो भी देख रहे हैं उनको एक वोट अपील कर दो. 19 अक्टूबर इज द लास्ट डे टू वोट. और अगर आपने फाइनल 10 में से फाइनल 6 पे आना है तो यू विल नीड द वोट. सो प्लीज टेक इट अवे एंड आस्क फॉर वोट.
हाँ आधा तो वरुण ने ही बोल दिया कि 19 अक्टूबर लास्ट डेट है.
सॉरी
तो तब तक वोट कर लो जितना हो सके यार प्लीज और टॉप 6 में पहुंचा दो. बाकी वहां पर जाके देख लेंगे अच्छे से जोक्स तुम्हारे सब ऑडियंस के लिए. बेस्ट जोक्स तो है ही रखे ही हैं. तो बस फिनाले तक वोट करके पहुंचा दो बस. बाकी संभाल लेंगे हम.
चलो ठीक है अतुल. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस. बेस्ट ऑफ लक. सी यू सून होपफुली.
बाय.
See you. Okay. All right. I'm going to keep it going and bring on our next comedian, Priyam Saha. Priyam, what's up? Priyam can't hear anything. आप mute
सॉरी
पे
मेरी
हैं.
ये लोग आवाज दबा के मेरे को म्यूट पे रख दिया था इन्होंने. What's up with you?
How are you? Looking very, very nice.
Thank you. I wore an earring for you too.
Oh, well done. So Priyam, how's it been? How is the last month been for you?
It has been great. अब मतलब जो भी को जानते हैं रियल लाइफ में उनको पता ही है कि मुझे फेमस होने वाली सारी मेरे में क्वालिटीज हैं. और अब मैं सिर्फ सच में फेमस हो गई हूँ तो मेरा obnoxious behavior के लिए अब रीजन है. So it's been great. It has been so validating. I feel like more than anything else. And my favorite part has been because I'm an internet child now. Matlab, I do lots of work in and around the internet. That all these internet creators that I have watched for so long have now discovered me and now they've DM'd me and like all these creators that I love their work. Like, oh my god, like who the fuck are you? And you're so funny. Sorry, can we say? Anyway,
No,
I'm
you
really
can't.
enjoying
It's okay.
that.
But no, that's
Kunal
great.
Kamra
You've been
approved my
absolutely.
Kunal Kamra joke, which was insane. So yeah, I'm
Oh,
having
really?
a great time.
Okay, well done. Well, congratulations. I'm glad it's doing so well, and you've been absolutely fantastic. You've been a live wire on the show.
Thank you.
So tell me, what have your friends and what have your family been saying about all your
Friends
all
तो
the last
मतलब वही
5,000 you've done?
my friends basically keep me very grounded. उनको मतलब कुछ भी ऐसे ज्यादा वो excite नहीं होते. They are like चुपचाप बैठ जा, तेरे jokes हम ही बताते हैं तेरे को, हीरो मत बन. My parents are of course very proud, very happy because I've lived away from home for very long. So some years ago they just stopped. I mean very mutually we stopped discussing work क्योंकि उनको भी समझ नहीं आएगा मैं अभी क्या doctors है वो लोग ये सब. So now like my mother, when I told her that I'm going on the show, literally the first thing Varun she had told me, so I also dance. So she had said, and she had heard the whole thing, and then she said कि तुम ना जाके ना स्टेज पे डांस जरूर कर देना because उसी से वोट्स आएंगे. तो मैंने कहा मम्मा ये वैसा शो नहीं है. So even now after every week I send her the link, she calls me and then very confused she's like तुमने इस बार भी तुमने जोक के पहले स्टेप नहीं करा. Like she's so confused why am I not taking her great advice. Also a fun thing that's happening within the
You should have. In hindsight, you should have. Hi, and then you just break into a dance and then do jokes. That would be the most unique comedy act anybody's ever seen.
Potentially finale. And another funny thing that's happening with my mother because she feels like me that all her opinions are important sometimes. So har hafte na after she tells me you're great and all, she makes it a point to tell me who else is great in the lineup. So every week on the group I message. So then Zainab came up with something really funny. She's like, Priyam's mom is like the Critics' Choice Award every week.
We love it. We're all eagerly waiting for Priyam's mom to tell us, like, oh yeah, this person was very good this week. We're like, yes.
Yes. This
So
round,
who all has your mom like, Priyam?
So in the first round, she loved Nathan. अच्छा सबका डिस्क्लेमर सबसे नंबर 1 फैन वो मेरी है क्योंकि सबसे ज्यादा फनी तो मैं ही हूँ गाइस. लेट्स कम ऑन. बट फर्स्ट राउंड वाज नेथन. सेकंड वाज द मेड इन इंडिया वाला ना. मेरे को ध्यान I want to say Fuck, does anybody remember who was the second one? I want to say, was it Rohan? I'm sorry, I don't remember the second one. Third one, obviously Pooja. And my mother really liked Atul's Munna Bhai also. Which is very weird because she hates Munna Bhai for some reason. And then, फिर क्या था round? Fifth round में ध्यान नहीं आ रहा, fourth round में ध्यान नहीं आ रहा, और पिछले round में she really liked Rohan and Pooja.
Okay, that's good. So well done. Priyam, you know what we're doing.
Second round she liked Pushkar. Second round she liked Pushkar. I've just remembered.
Pushkar.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Well, so all perfect choices given by your mom. But let's see now if I like the jokes that you do today. Not jokes, one single joke. You get one joke to make me laugh, and you know how it goes after that. अगर नहीं हंसे तो आपको dare करना पड़ेगा. But before we start, again, everybody watching, if you have any questions for Priyam or any dare suggestions, let me know in the comments. Priyam, your joke to make me laugh begins in 3, 2, 1, action.
Okay. I don't know if it'll make you laugh, because I just want to like ask, basically as a woman right now, what's happening, wanting to get equal rights is becoming like going to the gym. I keep thinking about it. I keep wanting it. पर वो हो ही नहीं पा रहा है. Wait कर करके मैं मर गई हूँ. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Oh, okay. So Priyam, आपको तो dare करना पड़ेगा, I'm sure.
हाँ, और क्योंकि मैं अतुल की तरह नहीं हूँ, तो मैं ये नहीं पूछूंगी कि वरुण तेरे को समझ नहीं आया क्या? Because ठीक है. Tell me what my dare is, क्योंकि I'm daredevil.
Yeah. तो मैंने actually मैं सोचा था पहले मन में decide ही करूँ कि I won't laugh at your joke because I really want to see you do a dare because I think you will be great at it.
Lovely. और मैं भी मन में यही सोच के आई थी कि मैं वरुण को हंसाऊंगी ही नहीं, क्योंकि मैं भी dare करना चाहती हूँ.
No, but you still made me laugh at the other things. Okay, so are you ready? I want you to pick. Okay, you can pick between these two. Are you up to texting your ex something embarrassing? I will ask you before I give you this dare.
Funnily enough, I actually broke up 3.5 weeks ago. तो texting your मतलब कर सकते हैं शायद, मतलब बहुत ही नई चिंगारी है शायद. Next option क्या है? I feel like the ex is too recent.
ठीक है. No, नहीं चिंगारी को नहीं भड़काएंगे हम for no reason. You okay?
Because अभी तक तो I'm sorry, because अभी तक तो हम ये pretend कर रहे हैं ना कि we don't want to talk to each other. अभी that rebound of the ex has not happened. So I don't want to start that.
Okay, no. So we will not stoke that fire. But I think I can give you the same dare I was going to give Atul, which is to call a friend on speakerphone and tell them that they need to brush more often.
Can do. Who to call? Anybody.
हाँ, जो भी. Speaker
Also, you know, the thing is that I hate talking to people on the phone, so I never pick up anybody's call. तो अगर मेरा किसी ने उठा दिया तो वो हमारी friendship की जीत होगी. Okay, I'm calling Shrimi Verma. She's my best friend. Can you hear?
Okay. Can you make it louder?
See, nobody picks up my call only, because I don't pick up their call. This is what karma looks like. Dude, see, nobody's
picking up. And your best friend isn't answering your call.
See, वो आ गई है वो दीदी exercise की याद दिलाने की, और they're away from phone, stretch कर लो. Okay, I'm going to try calling one more person. Just because I want to tell the world that I do have friends, guys. We just don't call each other up.
Listen, don't call any customer care, okay? And pretend कि ये मेरा दोस्त है अशोक.
Customer care तो खास करके नहीं उठाते हैं, तो फिर उनको तो मैं नहीं करूँगी. मेरी क्या चॉप हो रही है ना, और मैं इतना हीरो बनती हूँ कि मैं कितनी पॉपुलर हूँ, मेरे कितने दोस्त हैं. अब आखिरी पिछले महीनों में तो इन्हीं 10 लोगों से बात हुई है. Yeah, seriously, nobody's picking up my call. Okay, so what is that? So should I text my ex? Like, what should I do?
I think your dare should have been get any of your friends to answer your phone call.
I am going to call my ex because I'm calling.
I think now the dare should be phone fake there.
Okay, I am calling a friend. One second, guys. This is it. Third time is the charm. You know it.
Hello.
ज़ैनब, तुझे नहीं लगता कि तेरे मुंह से बहुत बास आती है, तेरे को ब्रश करना चाहिए?
हद होती है.
Well
Okay,
done,
so
well done, well done. That shows real friendship between y'all are both looking out for each other. Well done, Zainab. Well done, Priyam. Priyam, in fact, I have a question for you. What has been the
yes.
worst prank that's been played on you ever?
Ew, I hate pranks first of all. I think pranks are just not like, but क्योंकि prank में अगर Varun, if I prank you, mostly I will tell you something fairly believable but weirdly scary. Like I will say कि like something's happened to your family, and then you'll be like, oh fuck, what happened? I'm like, oh lol, prank. Pranks I think are dumb. And yeah, people have played pranks on me. I mean, nothing memorable. Give me a little. What is a prank that somebody's played on
Okay,
me?
I
Something
think
like,
the rest of
my
the
friend
contestants, we have one
keep.
challenge. We have to
Yes.
prank Priyam by the end of
Stop
filming
it,
of
guys.
our
You know,
show. ठीक है,
पता है
हमें
जब शो
करना
शुरू हुआ
पड़ेगा
था
कुछ.
शो शुरू हुआ था तो एक फॉर्म भरना था ना व्हाट यू लाइक लव दिस दैट ऑल दैट उसमें वन ऑफ द थिंग्स वाज व्हाट यू हेट और मैंने जानबूझ के प्रैंक में लिखा मुझे क्यों मुझे पता था कि तुम लोग मेरी वल्नरेबिलिटी का फायदा उठाओगे सो आई वाज लाइक नहीं फिर ये पूरे शो का फोकस होगा कि कैसे प्रैंक करें बट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन यूज्ड टू कीप कॉलिंग मी टू प्रिटेंड ही इज फ्रॉम सम कस्टमर केयर टाइप पर्सन कि आपको ये चाहिए वो चाहिए क्योंकि अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट भी तो बहुत है ना हमारे देश में तो या
Okay, Priyam. So I think we are going to move on to our next contestant. Then आपका dare तो अपने अच्छी तरह से कर दिया. If anybody calls back, please tell them what
that
you had to
we
tell
are
them
we are
as
not
part of the
friends
dare.
anymore. Yes, I will tell them that. Thank you, Varun. But before I go, I have to say, Varun, I am so grateful
Yes,
that
yes.
you were our
Of course,
host
you have to
and
do your vote appeal also.
Acha, but before my vote appeal, I just want to thank you for being cheerleader and Sweetu Prasad #1 on set. I feel like Isha, and because I've been telling everyone, because I'm assuming, and correct me if I'm wrong, I'm not trying to make you sound older, but when you see all of us, I'm assuming as a young sort of artist yourself, there's that kind of relatability कि अभी आप भी तो कर रहे थे ना कुछ सालों पहले तक कि मुझे क्या करना है लाइफ में so, हाँ तो मुझे बहुत ऐसे I feel like every time I would finish my set and because this was my first time doing stand up at the end I would just be like okay that's my time and then look at Varun कि Varun हंस रहा है चलो ठीक है so thank you for being our Navjot
No,
Singh Sidhu.
of course. No,
And-
thank you so much. You guys have all been fantastic, and it's great to see this. Great to see this happen. It's great to see the camaraderie, and in fact, it's great to see all you contestants help each other out. I think that's the foundation of good comedy, where you look out for each other also as much as you have to compete with each other, because it's only when everybody grows that the community grows, that the like stand-up spreads even more and more people get introduced to it and they genuinely like it. So it's no point making it toxic. You should all just support each other. So well done, you guys. And I'm just there to sort of be around.
just be around be cool okay
Be around, help out with whatever I can with my 2 bits. But Priyam, abhi karo vote appeal.
अच्छा मेरी वोट अपील बहुत ही सिंपल और बहुत ही डायरेक्ट है गाइस 19 अक्टूबर को मेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे है ठीक है तो अब मैं करने वाली हूँ इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल क्योंकि ऑलरेडी देखो इस लॉकडाउन में मैं एक अकेली लड़की इस शहर में अकेले अपना बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करूंगी मेरे लिए वोट तो तुम कर ही सकते हो यार तो फिर मेरे लिए वोट कर देना ठीक है बिकॉज फॉर हैप्पी बर्थडे प्रेजेंट बिकॉज इट्स द लास्ट डे एंड यू शुड वोट फॉर एवरीबडी बट वोट फॉर मी बिकॉज इट्स माई बर्थडे
Okay, well done. Priyam, thank you so much. Thank you for being chirpy as always.
Thank
Best
you.
of luck, and hopefully we'll see you in the finale.
Hopefully. Can't wait. Excited. Bye.
Okay, bye. All right, next up, we have Rohan Chavda. Rohan.
Hey, Varun, how are you?
I'm good, brother. How are you?
Good.
क्या चल रहा है? कैसा रहा है तुम्हारा लास्ट मंथ?
Oh, it was amazing. मतलब लॉकडाउन तो था ही काफी स्लो और थोड़ा सा बिजी, बट दिस शो वाज अमेजिंग और इससे काफी एक्साइटमेंट हो गया पूरे लॉकडाउन में. सो इट वाज गोइंग ग्रेट.
Well done. So from all the 5 rounds that you did, which has been your favorite?
Made in India was amazing and punchline was amazing. But sketchy characters was also nice. मेरे पेरेंट्स देख रहे थे वो और डैड बोलता है अरे वो होस्ट और ये वाला आदमी थोड़ा सेम नहीं लग रहा है. मैं बोला ये वही है. मैं बोला वही है ये. But it was amazing. They loved you. They loved your character.
Thank you so much.
My dad saw you in Dubai performing. So मजा आ गया उनको भी. Yeah.
चलो अच्छा है. thank you. Please tell him I said thanks. And you've been absolutely amazing on this show as well.
Thank you.
लेकिन आज हम एक अलग टाइप का चैलेंज कर रहे हैं. आज आप स्टैंड अप नहीं कर रहे, पूरा
Right.
सेट नहीं कर रहे. आज आप सिर्फ एक जोक कर रहे हो और वो जोक से
Right.
आपको मुझे हंसाना है. अगर आपने
Okay.
नहीं हंसाया तो आपको करना पड़ेगा एक डेयर लाइव यहाँ पर हम सबके सामने.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
so
Okay.
make sure you have the best joke. Before we go ahead, again, for all those of you watching, if you have questions for Rohan or if you have prank ideas for Rohan, all the other contestants also on it, if you have prank ideas for each other, let me know so we can make the person do it. Rohan, are you ready with your joke?
Yes.
Okay, begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Rohan?
Hello.
Rohan, this is a very elaborate setup for a joke.
No, sorry. Actually, the screen went blank. Okay. Can I start?
Yes, you can start.
Yes. So as we all know कि अपन ये पैंडेमिक में चल रहे हैं, तो काफी लोगों ने है ना YouTube पर वीडियोस बना के डाले हैं, स्पेशली कि इस पैंडेमिक में तुम लोग इम्यूनिटी कैसे बढ़ाओगे. ठीक है. और ये लोग बोल रहे हैं कि गरीबों का भी इम्यूनिटी बढ़ना चाहिए. तो इन्होंने इंग्रेडिएंट्स दिया कि भाई तुलसी, पुदीना, नींबू, ग्रीन एप्पल एंड सेलरी. मैं बोला भाई गरीब को पता नहीं है कि सेब पहली बात तो लाल कलर का भी आता है और तू हरे का बात कर रहा है. और क्यों सोचा कि गरीब के पास YouTube भी होगा. एंड फॉरगेट दैट इन पैंडेमिक कितने लोगों ने फोन करके बोला कि भाई हमको ट्विंस हुए, ट्विंस. मैं बोला भाई कितने लोगों ने फोन करके बोला कि इनको ट्विंस हो रहे हैं. मैं बोला यार कैसे हो रहे हैं. बोलता भाई बहुत फुर्सत था ना, तो अभी सब काम सही से हो रहा है. यस, दैट्स वाज माय जोक.
मैं तुझसे डेयर कर रहा हूँ. I joke was funny, but I'm not going to fully laugh. I'm going to make you do
Okay.
that dare.
Okay.
So are you ready, Rohan, to do your dare?
Yes.
Okay. Now, do any of the other contestants have any ideas for dare for Rohan? Let me know right now. Okay, Rohan, तो आपका dare ये है जो मैंने पहले प्रियम को पूछा था, मैं आपसे भी पूछूंगा. Before we think of another dare for you, are you willing to text your ex something embarrassing, or your friend's ex something embarrassing?
Ex को embarrassing. Okay, I can do that.
Yeah.
But okay, but then I have to show you the message.
Yeah, you have to show me the message.
On the text, okay. Okay, so I'm going to text my ex.
Yeah. You have to text your ex saying, new phone, who's this?
Something embarrassing, right? So I'll ask her to reduce some more weight.
You want to make up something on your own? Please go ahead. Huh?
मैं उसको बोलूंगा कि please reduce some more weight. क्योंकि वो बोला था इसके लिए ब्रेकअप.
That's mean, Rohan. नहीं, तुम वो नहीं बोलोगे.
Okay.
Yeah, that's mean.
So I don't know. That's what I did, and now we are no more together. So I think
your ex-girlfriend.
Oh shit. So now I don't know.
You can tell her, please stop calling me. Or new phone, who this?
Please stop calling me is nice.
Nice. New phone, who this? वो भी डाल देना है उसके बाद. और मैं text दिखाओ, हाँ? You can hide a number and name.
New phone. Who's this?
और उसके एंड में प्लीज वोट फॉर मी ऑन comedycentral.in/srcp लिखो.
Why you want कि वो मेरे को घर पे आके मारे? Okay, I'll do that.
Please vote for me on comedycentral.in/srcp लिखा.
Please vote for me on comedycentral/srcp. Gone.
Before 19th October.
Before 19th October. Okay, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Okay. Okay, I don't know if you can see this. Oh.
No, I can't. The glare is too much.
Yeah. Now?
अरे नाम कवर कर.
Oops.
Okay, got it. Well done, Rohan. And whenever you get a response back, I need you to send me the response also. Okay?
Sure.
And I'll try and arrange Z grade security for you.
Oh, please do that.
सारे मैसेज के बाद तो वो जूते पकड़ के मारे तुमको.
I swear.
No, but thank you for being a sport. You've been really
Thank you so much, Varun.
good throughout the show. जाने
Yes.
के पहले तुम्हें कुछ एक वोट अपील करनी है लास्ट तो आप कर लो.
Yes. So जिन लोगों ने वोट किया है, thank you so much. And voting का last day है 19th of October. So please vote for all the contestants. They all have done amazing job. And you can see Varun also performing with us क्योंकि उसने amazing hosting किया है और मैंने भी मेरा best दिया है. So please vote for me. Before 19th October, you all can vote. Thank you so much, guys.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Rohan.
Thank you, Varun.
See you. Okay, next up we have Nathan Gomes. Nathan.
Hello, what is up? Varun, what's up? Hi. How is it going?
How are you, brother?
I'm good, brother. How are you doing?
Very good. So I'm going to start by asking the same thing I've asked everybody else. How have the last 5 weeks been?
Dude, overwhelming, to be honest. Like, I have
all over. People are liking it. So tell us something about that. What's the response been like for you?
really overwhelming, to be honest. Like, my DMs have been flooded. People saying that, hey, dude, you were on the show. Very good. Varun was a great host. I was like, thanks. That was. But no, man, people are genuinely. I received DMs and messages from random people. And I was like, thank you. This is so sweet. But apart from that, it's also helped me in my writing, I guess. So, like, I've written some other stuff. So the entire those 5-6 days of writing, brainstorming, that kind of helped a lot. Overall, it's good, man. Nothing to regret about. I have nothing to regret. Yes.
Okay, awesome. Well done. Well, you don't have nothing to regret just yet. We still have to do the real deal challenge where you have to make me laugh. Otherwise, you'll see कि कैसे तुम्हें dare करने पड़ेंगे जो अभी रोहन ने किया या अतुल ने किया. You will also have to do if you don't make me laugh. So, are you ready with your joke for me?
Let's do this. Let's do this, guys.
You ready?
Come on. Yeah, let's.
Okay. Ready for your joke in 3, 2, 1. Go.
You know, guys, my friend, he has a dog, all right? And for some reason, he named his dog Baby. Because why pay attention to giving dogs realistic names? And you know, his dog really loves licking his face. The other night, he sent me a song which he wrote about his dog. He called it Baby Ko Face Pasand Hai. Did you guys know that that journalism is a lot like EDM? The only difference is that EDM has a drop and journalism has a drop as well, but in standards. I also had a joke on vowels. If you guys didn't find this funny, then I guess I owe you an apology. So yeah, that's all I have.
The third one, I would say, was the funniest. The second one was relatable, especially in today's times. But Nathan, I'm going to still make you do a dare.
Let's yeah, chalo.
Are you ready
What
to
is
do
my
the
dare? Yeah, let's do this.
Okay,
dare.
let's see if the people watching have any dares that they'd like to give you. So everybody watching right now, if you have any dares for Nathan to do, let me know in the comments. We'll give it a few seconds before I select which dare to do. But Nathan, before you go into doing your dare, tell me what was your favorite moment through the filming of this show? What was your favorite thing about this show?
I just hanging out with comics, to be honest, and a lot of people who I have not met. And that was a lot of fun. Jamming, spending time with each other, just discussing jokes, riffing. It was too much fun, like a lot to learn. And just being on set and getting to perform in a pandemic, that was freaking awesome, to be honest. Like, so yeah.
Okay, well done, Nathan. So I have a dare here for you from Pushkar. And Pushkar has said, dinosaur ka acting kar.
What?
It was in second round.
Yeah, I know why you're telling me this, Pushkar. मुझे पता है. How do you expect something else?
So Nathan, एक काम करते हैं. You can do your vote appeal, but as a T-Rex.
Nice. Show your Goa pics.
Or you can show your Goa pics.
I'm using my phone right now, man, so I can't really show my
Okay, no, so
photos.
we'll start off with making you do your vote appeal as a dinosaur. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah, chalo.
How about you're a Konkani dinosaur?
I'm not from Goa, dude. Goa ka nahi hu, dude. Bombay ka hu main. From Mumbai, bro.
Okay, ठीक है, dinosaur.
If you guys liked my performance, please go check it out. That was more like a never mind. Comedy Central.
तू कौन से dinosaur देखा है?
Varunosaurus. I can't. Please go check out my videos. Please vote for me.
That's good. I'm
Voting
sure
ends on the
all the
19th.
dinosaurs will vote for you. But Nathan, okay, I'll tell you what. Why don't you describe
So,
why don't you describe your SRCP experience in a song? Do that. Nathan, T-Rex को बाजू में रख. Describe your
Yes, sir.
SRCP experience in a song.
Okay. I can't really think of any song. Okay.
Sing any song.
Any song. Okay.
This is like this is like when you have relatives over and your parents say बच्चा होता ना जब भी अरे थोड़ा गाना गा के सुना गाना वैसा हो गया अभी तेरे साथ. So come on. Any song that best describes your SRCP experience.
Give me some sunshine. Give me some rain. Give me some other time. I need to write jokes and use my brain. Yeah. Thank you for putting me on the spot, Varun. That was a lot of fun. See you
Sorry,
guys.
brother. Sorry. But well done. Thank you so much for joining us, Nathan. Hopefully we'll see you in the finale, guys.
Can I do my normal vote appeal now, if that's all right?
Yeah. Do it.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in for this show as well, for this Facebook Live. You guys are watching me. Please go check out our work. We have 5 rounds. You could check out. I'll be honest, my round 1, 3, and 4 were my favorites. So please go and check that out. Voting lines end on the 19th, you guys. So please feel free to hit that vote button and help me reach the finals. वहाँ पे देखा जाएगा. But I see you. Help me out. Okay, cheers. That's all I have to say.
Okay, awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much, Nathan. See you soon. Okay, next up, I'm going to call on Fatima Aisha. Fatima, hi.
Hi. I can finally say that Varun Thakur was in my living room.
That sounds scary. How are you, Fatima? How's it been for you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very good. I'm very good. I've been watching all you guys perform. I've been checking out all the videos, and it's as funny as I remember watching it when we were actually filming it. And you have been terrific throughout the show. So tell me a little bit about the kind of feedback you've gotten for the show.
I have got all sorts of feedback from, we're proud of you. That's the most used statement by people who I don't even remember. Everyone is proud of me. I also weirdly, you asked Zainab what is the weirdest text that we've got. I have a text from a person who says, I can get you votes. Call me, I can get you votes. And I'm like, wow, who is this guy? Yeah, but
call me, I can get you votes.
Yeah, he's like very enticing. Like, and I'm not happy about myself because for 1 second I thought, is he serious? ऐसा 1 second के लिए ऐसा छोटा सा मेरे को ऐसा लगा. Should I ask him?
But yeah, to be fair, you perform so well throughout. I'm pretty sure you don't need anybody to get you to vote.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We're gonna do this the fair way.
मिलेगा तुम्हें finale में entry. So don't worry, you were fantastic. But today is going to be slightly tougher. Today is the real deal challenge. You have one joke to make me laugh. Are you ready with your joke?
Yes, I have. Yes, I'm ready. Yes, I'm ready. Yes.
So
here's my joke.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
So I tell my mom that I want to try a lot of things in life, and she doesn't understand all of it. Like, she understands most of it, but not all of it. I recently told her I want to solo travel. and which is like, I want to hike, I want to see the world, I want to, you know, become like a female solo traveler. And she didn't understand. She just did ha 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 ha, okay, okay. And at the end, she said, "Wow, that's so cool. मैं भी साथ में आती हूँ."
Yes, well done, well done. Yes, well done. So you've been safe from doing the dare, and if you notice the pattern, every joke about mom or dad has made me laugh.
I got
So,
that hint.
well
I
done.
got
There's a pattern there. No, but that was genuinely funny. Well done. But Fatima, before you go, do you want to quickly do a vote appeal to
Yes.
the fans who are watching right now?
Yes. Hello, everyone who's watching. Thank you for watching the show, first of all. Thank you for joining this live. We're so happy to have you. Please watch all of our performances. Everyone here is funny. Go vote for all of us because you can do that, and keep voting for your favorite ones and vote for me. Voting line ends at 19th October. Don't forget that. Get us into top 6. I don't know how you will get all 9 of us, but yeah, vote. All right. Cheers.
All right. Well done. Thank you so much, Fatima. Hopefully, I'll see you at the finale.
Yes. See you, buddy.
See you. Okay, now for a final comic for tonight, I'm going to welcome Pushkar Bendre. Pushkar.
Yay!
Bhau.
Majed ekdam. How are you?
Majid, I'm very good, brother. How you like most people? I'm going to ask you about the last month and a half. What's the feedback been like for all the comedy that people have seen you do on Sterling Reserve Comedy Project Season 2?
Yeah, so you know, this is the first time that I have done so many jokes and I have put out so many videos and none of them have got offended. Like normally I get offense. हाँ, मुझे कुछ भी reason के लिए offense आता था. I mean, I put out something a weird चीज के लिए लोग offend हुआ है. People have been offended when I have cracked jokes on Goa and I was never expected that. But हर चीज पे लोग offend हुए. This is the first time लोगों ने ऐसा प्यार वाला message दिया कि हाँ अच्छा लगा. So I think all the checks work.
Yeah, you know, you've been super bro throughout the show. I've genuinely enjoyed watching all your bits. But today is going to be different. You only have one joke. तेरे पास 4-5 minutes नहीं है. एक ही joke है to make me laugh. So do you have that joke ready?
Yeah, but I was going to do one joke, but अभी मेरे को ना तुमने रोहन को dare दिया ना तब मुझे एक real incident याद आया था, which is like the biggest joke of my life.
बता.
हाँ, so you know जैसे कि रोहन ने अपनी ex को message भेजा ना, वैसे ही I once sent my ex a message saying that I really feel bad the way we ended the things, and she replied back, she's like, dude, we were never in a relationship. that
I mean, I mean, now tell me the other joke that you had planned before you found out about
Yeah, but then this is what happened कि मैं एक जगह गया था और मैंने ना एक के गेट के बाहर गाड़ी लगाया, तो बाहर आके देखा तो गाड़ी का हवा निकाल दिया था. सो मैंने पूछा गाड़ी का हवा क्यों निकाला, तो बोला गेट के सामने गाड़ी लगाया तो हवा नहीं निकालेगा तो क्या पूजा करूंगा क्या. तो मैंने बोला लेकिन तेरे घर पे ही आया था ना मैं.
Pushkar, have you gotten stuck?
Yeah, I think so.
Wapas, sorry, I couldn't hear the end.
Yeah, so are you? Am I audible now? This stream was working really fine so far till the time I had to speak. हाँ, तो ये होना ही चाहिए था. So that's really good. But एक बार क्या हुआ था, एक बार मैं एक जगह गया था और मैंने गेट के सामने गाड़ी लगाया, तो बाहर आके देखा तो गाड़ी का टायर फ्लैट था. तो मैंने पूछा कि गाड़ी का हवा क्यों निकाला, तो वो बोला गेट के सामने गाड़ी लगाया तो हवा नहीं निकालूंगा तो क्या पूजा करूंगा क्या. मैंने कहा पर तेरे यहाँ ही आया था ना मैं. तो बोला नहीं, रूल्स आर रूल्स. ही इज लाइक रूल्स होता है. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, एक दिन इसका घर पे चोरी हुआ था. फिर पुलिस वाले आए थे और पुलिस वालों ने गेट के सामने गाड़ी लगाया था. और फिर मैं गया उसका गाड़ी का हवा निकाले. फिर पुलिस वाले ने लेकिन इसको लेके गया और वो पागल की तरह कूटा बिकॉज ये बदनाम था. फिर ये घर पे आया तो बोला किसी ने हवा निकाला. मैंने कहा मैंने ही निकाला रे. बोला क्यों? बोला नहीं, रूल्स होता है ना इसके लिए.
Okay, well done, Pushkar.
Thanks.
I wanted to also, since you're the last comic, you've done a funny joke also, but to dare bhi karega kya? So we can close this off with a dare also. Will you do a dare?
बिल्कुल.
I'll make it simple. I want you
Yeah.
to imitate anybody from your fellow contestants. Kiski bhi, who's ever mimicry or acting you can do, I want you to do it.
किसका करूँ यार मैं? Like I don't know. मैं फातिमा बोल रही हूँ, लेकिन फातिमा मैं लड़की का नहीं कर सकता बिकॉज मेरा आवाज ही इतना गंदा है कि हाँ सही. मैं रोहन का करता हूँ. मैं रोहन का कर सकता हूँ. कैन आई डू दैट? इज दैट ओके?
हाँ, do रोहन.
अदुल तेरा भी करता हूँ. चलो. हाँ, रोहन इज लाइक इफ तुमको बोलना है ना किसी को कि भाई मेरे को चाय दे दे, रोहन इज लाइक यार मेरे को कोई चाय नहीं दे रहा यार, मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है यार, मेरे को जब तक गुस्सा नहीं आता ना मैं जोक नहीं सुना सकता यार. सो यार मैं 2 मिनट पहले ऐसा कुछ गुस्सा होऊंगा, मैं मारामारी करूंगा यार. फुल नाना पाटेकर बन जाता है रोहन इज लाइक नहीं मैं जोक सुना. एंड उसके उल्टा अतुल इज लाइक एक बार क्या हुआ पता है, एंड देन ही विल स्टॉप. एंड यार ऐसे ही होता है. एंड या
Okay, chalo. Well done.
One of the girls you should imitate, but one of the girls you should imitate. One girl you can imitate. One of the girls you have to do.
One of the girls I have to do. हाँ. So okay. किसको करूँ मैं? हाँ चलो रुको. हाँ, though I like the way Pooja tells her jokes, like really amazing the way she tells her jokes. She's like हम लोग जोक सुनाएंगे तो इसे हम नॉर्मल जोक सुनाते ना कि हाँ एक बार क्या हुआ, एक आदमी था. So she's like, एक बार क्या हुआ पता है? There was a man and he told a woman. शांत गदाधारी भी.
That's
so accurate.
That's pretty accurate.
आदमी ने बोला.
Okay, Pushkar, before we wrap, I want you to do your vote appeal
Yes.
to whoever is watching right now.
Yes, so for all the people whoever are watching, जो लोग भी देख रहे हैं, 19th अक्टूबर को वोटिंग लाइंस बंद होता है. सो उसके पहले ऐसा लास्ट मोमेंट तक वेट मत करना. उसके पहले जाके प्लीज चेक आउट द वीडियोस ऑन comedycentral.in/srcp and vote for me and vote for all the other contestants who you like. Because 6 सीट है, 10 में से 6 है, तो वोट करो मेरे लिए. And all the others also whom you are like also vote for them. Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, awesome. Thank you, Pushkar. Thank you so much, everybody. This was a lot of fun. You guys always
fun,
make me
man.
laugh. So आज जानबूझ के मुझे dare कराना था. That's why I wasn't laughing. But you guys have all been
Hey,
absolutely
Varun.
fantastic.
Varun, my ex replied. She said you deserve a big punishment for this one. What is this, man?
No, but guys, thank you so much. This was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me. Hopefully, I see all of you in the final 6, but in 10 में से जो आएंगे in the finale. But even if you don't make it to that, let me tell you, you guys have been amazing. I've had a ball working with you guys and seeing you perform from very close quarters, and you guys are all going to be slamming it very, very soon. So yeah, fingers crossed. Best of luck to all you guys. Thank you so much, everybody who's tuned in live for this show, who's been watching the show on comedycentral.in/srcp and on the Comedy Central channel. Thank you so much, everybody. Cannot wait to shoot the finale. Best of luck, guys. Thank you so much.
See you
See you
guys.
soon.
See you.
Thank you,
Bye.
thank you.
Okay, wait, I want to take a picture. I want to take a picture, everyone. Everyone look nice in your window. Yeah. Okay, I'm print screening. Beauty, gorgeous, lovely.
Okay, see you guys.
Yay.
Bye.